On this episode of Campr, more wet and wild fails in our Campr classics. Sammy unboxes the Stealth 4000 from Savage Gear. But let's start the show where we roll into one of northern New South Wales' most historic country towns. There's something about driving into Tenterfield that takes you back to another era. The surprising lack of Big Macification. But Tenterfield is still a town, and we're yearning for a more wide open space. So we roll out of Tenterfield towards a new campground experience 50 kilometres away known as Kookaburra. Just shy of Glen Innes, if you're travelling south, Kookaburra is just off the highway and a comfortable stop after a long day's drive if you're towing a van.
Here at Kookaburra Caravan Park, there's 600 acres here on the highlands here. A lot of it is heavily timbered with big rocky outcrops everywhere. Really, really wonderful places to bushwalk, to sightsee, to birdwatch, to take it easy. So here you've got the chance to suit yourself where you go. If it's in winter, you might be out in the sunshine. In summer, you might be here in the shade, and you can suit yourself.
Great facilities, plenty of grass, and a friendly horse that will be your friend for life, as long as you give it some food.
He's a welcoming welcoming animal when people get here. And everyone likes him, he's friendly.
Dinner, sunset, a cold beer and a warm fire. Have I got your attention yet? Tenterfield and Kookaburra are on the New England Highway just south of the Queensland border. The boys and girls at ARB will deck your vehicle out for your next camping adventure.
We're talking reels today. Not just any reels, we're talking about the flagship model of the Savage Gear range, the Stealth series. Now we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to do an unboxing so you guys can see the whole process from start to finish. Now from the outset, you can see for a reel in the $200 range, it looks the part. Packaging is pretty damn nice. One of the cool features I like, on the back it's got all the specs you need to know, so all the important information. So from the outset, without even opening the box, we know it's got 8 ball bearings. You know, it's got a gear ratio of 5.8 to 1. You know, it's got a maximum drag of 7 kilos, which is a fair bit for a reel of a 4000 size. Okay, so we've got a top little sleeve here that slides off underneath. Again, it looks pretty good. I'll give them that much. They've done a great job on the packaging. Nice little card. Congratulations on your new Savage Gear purchase. Enjoy and let us know what you think. Nice little touch. Here's our bad boy. So we've got the reel and we've got the handle in there as well. So handle comes detached, so get that in there, put it in depending if you fish right or left-handed. Personally I fish left-handed, but I know a large percentage of the population fish right-handed, so we chuck it in there. And it's just a screw fitting, so